In this video, I'm going to be showing you a Attio CRM tutorial. So Attio is a customer relationship management platform that stands out for its exceptional flexibility and customization. Unlike many pre-built CRMs that force businesses to adapt to their systems, Attio empowers users to structure their data and workflows precisely as needed. This means creating custom objects, fields, and workflows to perfectly mirror your unique business processes. Beyond its adaptability, Attio excels in collaboration, providing seamless communication and shared access to customer information within your team. Its user friendly interface ensures a smooth experience for everyone, regardless of their technical expertise. So, in essence, Attio is the ideal choice for businesses that require a CRM tailored specifically to their unique needs and prioritize a collaborative and efficient approach to customer management. So, let's get started on showcasing how Attio works. So in the Attio website from here, you can always start for free. So just click here on start for free and sign up for an account. So after signing up, you will now be redirected to this page right here. So you might want to add a picture, and this is just optional. So you need to enter your first name and your last name. Now click on continue. From here, you want to create your workspace. Just add the workspace name, click on continue, and Attio will now generate your workspace for you. So as you can see, you can always bring your relationships into Attio so you can connect your Google account or your Microsoft account. By doing this, you will be importing all of the contacts from these platforms to Attio. But in this video, I'm just going to click on manually create my contacts. So click on I'm sure. Now it will help Attio customize your workspace. So what will be what will you be using Attio for? So I'm just going to select sales and customers or sales, outbound, click on continue. And now from here, you can invite team members. So just simply enter their email and they will be sent an invite to work with you on Attio. So for now, I'm just going to skip. Now, as you can see, just click on Start Trial. And as you can see right here, we have the sample companies right here in the records. So basically, this is how your dashboard will look like. So you'll have the notifications right here. See all of the notifications and requests. You can also go to our tasks. So as you can see from here, you can always create your first task to get started. So let's say let's just say update contact information. Let's say if this is your first task. So we can always add the deadline, who is this assigned to, and we can always add records. Now click on save. And now as you can see, you now have a new task right here. So you'll see the task, the due date, the record, and who this task is assigned to. So if you're done, you can always click on right here. Simply delete the task if you want. You can also create notes. So let's say create a new note. So we can search a record. So let's say Google. See, we have the template also right here. So let's say this note is appointment tomorrow. So let's say this is the note. Just click on X. And as you can see, you will have your notes right here. You can also add this to favorites or create template from this note if you want. So if you add this to favorites, of course, it will be added right here in the top. Next is emails. So of course, you can create your emails right here. You'll see your email drafts. So let's configure mailbox. So to create emails, you'll need to connect your Google or your Microsoft account. And this is your forwarding address. So this is what your email will show when you send an email to other people. So it will be from your email from Attio. So next is reports. So from here, you'll just see a bunch of different reports. You can also create new dashboards if you want. You can create a new report, such as insight. So let's say companies right there. You can select the metric, the visualization, and just figure out or explore more about how you can create new reports. So after doing one, you can always click on save. Next is automations. So you can create automations right here, such as sequences and workflows. So we won't dig deeper into how you can create your automations right here. Basically, most of the CRM nowadays have their own automations. So just feel free to explore how you can create and use the automations of Attio more efficiently. So as you can see, in the bottom, we have the favorites right here. So we added this note to our favorites, so it will now show up right here in our left-hand tab. Next is records. So again, we will see our companies right here, such as Apple, PayPal. I don't know if these are just sample companies. So I don't know if this is already included or this just sample because we created an account using a free trial. Next is people. So from here, you'll see all of your contacts. So if you want to add a new contact, you can always do so by clicking right here on new person. Now you want to fill up all of this information, such as the name, the email address, description, company, and all of this information right here. But then again, you can always connect your Google account or your Microsoft account to sync all of your contacts. Next is deals. From here, we will see our deals. So if you already made a transaction, can always see it right here. So let's say let's create a new deal. So just fill up all of this information right here and you're all set. So basically, Attio CRM is really user friendly. So all of the features right here and the interface is really easy to use. So just feel free to explore more about the interface and you'll be using Attio for your business in no time. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.